Hi, it's good to see you. Today's webinar is going to be about the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, especially for beginners. And if it's for you, then let's go to the computer. So, as you can see, in affiliate marketing, there is a vendor and a customer on the other side, and you're in between. You are bridging between the vendors and the customers, and doing so you're getting some commission, and we'll go later on to see what type and what's the size of the commission. So what the vendors sell through affiliate marketing, it can be direct sale, MLM, maybe your own product, and then it's kind of affiliate, but you get 100% of the commission. And what the customer want, they want the product. But do they really want the product? Or maybe they want what the product is going to give them. So we'll go later on and I'll give you an example what exactly I mean. So affiliate marketing, as you can see here, the product is just a means to an end, and that's what I was talking just a second ago. And there is an emotion behind every buying decision. You can look at yourself and see when you're making a purchase, many times it's just to fulfill the need of buying something new, to have it, it's a good feeling, and many other things that can give you different feeling and different feelings for different situation. And you want to be unique in the marketplace in order to succeed. What I mean by that is that there are many affiliate marketers, and if you are just the same as they are, then if the customer will buy from you or from another person that is doing the same as you do, is just by chance. But if you are being unique and people are getting to know you and they resonate with your personality, then you have a group of people that will follow you because you give them some content and they think that you are nice, they like you for some reason, and they don't like another person. So this group of people will follow you. So let's go to the other. Okay. Let's talk about the criteria for choosing a product, a good product. First of all, you have to choose the industry. And you have different industries. Better to take one that either in the rise or already booming, like traveling, diet, health, affiliate marketing, and then choosing a company that is in one of these categories, or someone else as some other category that I did not give as an example, and it's still either booming or rising. And then choosing a product of this company, and you better like the product, because if you don't know about the product and you don't like it, when you try to sell it or explain about it, you won't have the knowledge, and this is something that the buyer will sense. And here we can see that affiliate commission in most cases is between 5 to 75%. It depends on each company or different product. And 96 of the people of the affiliate promoters earn less than $1,000. But just wait, we'll go and see how you can be in the 4%, the rest of those people and make more money than these $1,000. So being unique and comply with the law of compensation is something that you want to be in. And then you can be successful in the 4% of the successful people. And the law of compensation is something that you must follow. And the first one is the need for what you do, the ability to fulfill it, and how difficult it would be to replace you. Okay? So the need for what you do, if you choose the right industry that already booming, that means that many people want it. So this is something that you just have to choose the right industry. And the ability to fulfill it, either you are an expert in that field, or you can educate yourself to be an expert and to know a lot, and then you can give the content about it to your buyers, and for that reason they like you. And how difficult it would be to replace you, well, that depends on number 2, and I already explained how you can educate yourself. Okay. Different kind of promotional funnels. The first one is something that many affiliate vendors are using. They'll give you the product, they'll tell you to bring traffic. Traffic is people that you bring to see, like in a site. That here then we have the sales page that is supplied by the promotional funnel, by the vendor. And you have to bring people to see it. If they buy, then you get a commission. If they'll buy is like 2% is something very high from those people to purchase. It's usually much less. And how they buy it, they go here and they put their name and address. Sometimes it's only the address, the email, and they continue to the product and they buy it. And if they don't, they just go and you don't see them anymore. You don't have any knowledge about them, because when they register their email, it doesn't go to you, it goes to the vendor. And for that reason, this type of funnel is not for you. You should stay away from that kind of funnel. Let's go to the second one. The second one is just the same as the first one, with the addition of the brown section. We see that we have a landing page and autoresponder. So the landing page, the best is that it will be yours, if it's possible. And because of that, when someone that comes to see it and he finds it interesting, he assigns his email here, and you collect it in your autoresponder, and then you have the possibility to connect with this person if he didn't buy. And even if he bought the product, you can connect with him and sell him or offer him something else later on. And we can see that approximately 20 to 60% of the people that comes to the landing page, of course it depends on the landing page and on your product and the source of the traffic, but in general it's that percentage that are putting their email and continue to see what the sales page offer. And for that reason, you have their email and you can connect with them. The third one is the one that you should use. Again, your landing page. Here is your landing page. In the funnel number 2, it was either yours if it was possible, and if not, then it was supplied by the vendor, and sometimes it goes to you, the registrant people, and sometimes it's not. So the main thing is for you to be with funnel number 3. Your landing page, then you are unique because you made it or someone made it for you, so there is no such landing page and you are being unique. And you collect the emails, and also from the autoresponder, here the autoresponder, now you can send email to the people either to direct them to the sales page or direct them to the internet site that where you send most of your people, and they start to know you and to like you, and you can put there more content and more things to buy, and if they like it and they need it, they're gonna buy it in addition to what you're offering them in the sales page, so you can make more money. And the rest is just the same. This is something that I should explain better. When you are selling something, the buyer, let's say the buyer wants to hang a picture on the wall, and he wants a drill to make a hole so he can put a screw there and hang the picture. When he comes here and purchases the drill, do you think he really wants the drill? No, he wants the result that it's going to give him to hang the picture. So if you are talking here in the landing page about the results and not about the product, then it's more likely that you'll sell it, because you're talking to his needs, and this is what you should do. Okay, that's it. That was the idea what's an affiliate marketing. In case you want to master it and learn about it, then you can check this program, Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing. This is where I'm getting most of my knowledge, and a lot of people are making results there. So you'll find the button under the video and you can click it and go check it out. And that's it for now. I hope it benefited you somewhere. It benefited you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.